Okay, good thing I can edit stuff. Okay, we're here in Coutts, Alberta today at the Bordertown Showdown. I'm here with Josh Burks. He's our champion here today. Josh, you rode the bull Jet in the short round for 85 points. Why don't you tell me about that ride?
He was a good bull. I'd never seen him before, but I just had to hang on to him and everything come through for me, I guess.
What was that bull you rode in the long round?
They call him Bumps, I think. I only seen him on Wednesday and didn't remember him. And I just had to hang on to him too, and a bit of gear broke while I was on him, but it panned out pretty good.
Still worked out, made a good ride. So you've been here now 3 months, we're just talking about this, and you've won, like, I guess with today you could say about $20,000. How do you like Canada so far?
I'm loving Canada. Australia ain't going to get me home. There's just too much money to be won here, and now I got my visa. Look out.
Look out. All right, well, thanks a bunch, Josh, and best of luck the rest of the summer.
Thanks, Daddy.